Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Peipei update today. And we've seen some incredible moves with Peipei previously, and this Peipei has done some amazing wonderful job. Now what is next? Let's get into it. So basically here we are, and we are trying to get back up to 25878, and 25878 also was a previous technical target, but I don't think if it's in play anymore. And number one was that we had this bullish pennant. We broke above the pennant, and I told you it's gonna actually come up. The plan was 2587, but if you kind of like turn off the logarithmic scale, which is this, and you turn on the regular scale here, it actually met the technical target. And if you go with the trend line top to bottom, that's going to take the prices up. You can see it actually even preceded and crossed even that technical target. Now I'm just going to switch back into the logarithmic here, and let's get into it. So basically there's one huge resistance line going on, and I want to tell you today's Sunday, and the weekly closing is going to happen in the next 13 hours. So weekly I think is not so amazing, and I've even mentioned on the Discord that next week might actually be a little bit bad, because you do have one green candle here and the red candle next to it. These two candles are actually bearish candles, and if the higher time frame looks like this, we might have a drop next week. Now I'm not saying it's going to be a very big dump or something, maybe just a minor correction and then go back up. Just because you have the bearish candle doesn't mean you're going to dump like way too bad. That's the first thing. Second is we can shift into the 4-hour time frame, and let's actually look what's going on. Now I'm actually going to go into the 1 hour, and if you look at the 1 hour as well, we have this trend line going on, and you have one touch, you have the second touch, the third one, the fourth one right over here, and it's actually failing to break above that trend line. And now if you do end up breaking above and retest, you will actually have a 30% move up here. Okay, that can actually be 30%. Or if you break down and go below, then you're going to see this trend line here, and you can see that we're making in another support and resistance kind of a movement going on. So the maximum time we have to check for the break is going to be until 11 of October, which is, I don't know what the date is today, but I think actually there's going to be like 6 to 7 more days. So within 6 to 7 more days, I do expect a move a little bit lower, climb up, climb down, and then eventually either break down like this and dump to the downside, or go back up like this and come up to that technical target. What is it going to be? Time until 11 of October. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.